Lace fronts, hair weaves, if you wanna get your hair lace front, then you wanna come see me. Silk press, rock the pliers, dreads, I can guarantee that you wanna come see me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. That was like one big run-on sentence. But anyway, today I'll be using the Hair Honey product from start to finish. Right now I'm just detangling her hair. So stay tuned so you can see how the Hair Honey products work. Okay guys, I'm about to shampoo her with the Hair Honey Mega Moisture Shampoo. You guys, this shampoo is the truth. Okay, it is the truth. I love it, I love it, I love it. And my sink wasn't stopped up. Her hair was just covering up the drain. Okay, I do have to add this in the video, guys. This is not a sponsored video. I paid for this product with my own coins. It is not sponsored. Okay, now her second shampoo is going to be with the Ultra Hydrating Shampoo, also from Hair Honey, you guys. Oh my God, I just cannot tell you how good these products are. I can't tell you, I can't explain it enough. But her second shampoo is with the Ultra Hydrating Shampoo. Now I'm conditioner with the Hair Honey Mega Rich Moisturizing Conditioner. You guys, this stuff is the truth, you guys. I love it. Gotta try it. You guys, I forgot to start my camera when I began flat ironing, but here you go. Here's the flat iron. What I did was on her hair, I put the growth oil on her ends where the color is. Oh my God, because the ends are always a little bit drier. When you have lighter, when you go lighter, and the colors in the ends, it's a little bit dry, but the conditioner did do really, really good on it. I just thought I'm a little bit extra, so I put the growth oil on it on the ends where the just a little bit where the hair color is. And right here, you guys, there's sleek edge control. And I love it, you guys. I love it. I'm saying that about everything, huh? I just love everything. You guys, after I flatten, I always flatten to make it bone straight, but after I flatten, I go in and I give them a baby trim. I like the hair to be as straight as possible to show its true length when I give the trim. Okay, guys, here's the finished product. Oh my God, if you guys could just feel her hair. It's soft, it's healthy, and this product is amazing on her hair and on all my clients' hair. So I'm going to put where you can get this product in the description box. But thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. And again, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And y'all know what I always say at the end of my videos. Here we go. Stay blessed.